guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. May I introduce myself? My complete name is Maria Makotangadu. I'm studying program to management. I'm reading text corporate culture. Corporate culture is often described as the way we do things around here, or the glue that holds an organization together. It is the collective behavior of people and organization where they share the same corporate vision, goals, values, custom, and work procedure. A common working language and symbols. It is to be found in, for example, large multinational companies such as Shell and Toyota, the armed force, and the diplomatic service. These common values are in effect a form of implementing control mechanism that permits the ethos of the organization. Therefore, corporate culture is to a large extent how an organization exercises control over its members and how behavior is regulated. A further example of corporate culture is found in professional life. Codes of professional conduct and ethical standards. For example, those relating to lawyers, teachers, and doctors. Corporate culture within an organization includes the logo, advertising slogan, and the common jargon used. For example, McDonald's employees are known as crew members. Other corporate symbols can include the myths and story about the founder. It is particular cases the annual office party and the company uniform. Corporate culture embodies a corporate ethos with its own code of ethical conduct and social responsibility, which is communicated to all employees and suppliers and can cover such areas as human rights, employment practices, and concern for the environment. Large multinational further develop their corporate culture through the setting of corporate universities, an early example being the McDonald Hamburger University in Illinois, set up in the 1950. Other large companies have followed this example and have set up branches of their corporate universities abroad to train their staff of various cultures in their corporate culture and strategy of the organization. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.